Hey guys, welcome back to Learn in a Nutshell. Welcome back to another video. So we were talking about Terraform in the last video. We saw how to install Terraform, how to deploy the project settings, product types via Terraform in Commercetools, how to install the dependencies for the Commercetools provider. We have spoken about this in the previous video. If you have not checked that out, you can definitely check that out. And in today's video, we'll continue with the same. We'll talk a little more about Terraform, how to modularize it. So we'll see exactly that in this video. So for that, what we'll require is right now, if you see in category list, so maybe I need to log in again, probably. Yeah, if you see, there is no categories available right now. So what we'll do is let's go back to this link and go to this commercial category resource. You'll get an example on how to do this. Copy this. And here, let's not put it in the root. Let's create a folder this time. Call it as modules. And inside this, let's create one more folder called um, data modeling maybe. Data modeling. Inside this, let's create a file called categories. And we need to give the extension as TF. So that is Terraform extension. Let's paste the content what we copied earlier. And if you run this now, if you run Terraform plan, you might see there is nothing to be updated probably. So no changes because it's right now in the folder and we have not linked that module in the root folder. So for that, what you have to do is we'll have to link that. We'll have to create a file. Let's call it as main.tf. Inside this, we need to call that modules. So we need to give the name as module. We need to call this module and give a name for that. Let me give it as data model maybe. And inside this is where we give the source. So we need to provide the path. So that is nothing but modules slash data underscore modeling. So this would suffice. We don't require anything else. So let's see if this works now. And if it's able to call that categories. Let's give Terraform plan. So it says there's an error. This module is not yet installed. So whenever we are making any modular level changes, we need to run the Terraform init again. So that's how it will identify there are changes, new changes that has come up. So it says failed to query available provider, could not retrieve the list of available provider. We close this for Commercetools. So what we need to do is we need to copy the same content from here and put it in this as well. And also we don't require this one. Now let's try. So it has been initialized successfully this time. Now let's try to run Terraform plan. Now if you see there are two changes, that is probably because there are two resources which are to be added. One is my category and this is my second category, and these are the info for that. So let's try to apply this. So we need to confirm with yes. So it says my category key exists for the field key. So what we can do is, because the key names are same over here, we'll just copy this name from here and put it here. The key has to be unique in Commercetools for each resource. So let's plan it again. Maybe this time there'll be only one change. So the one might have already been applied. So if I go here now, so my category has come up. Now let's try to apply this now and confirm with yes. So it's applied. Now if I refresh, so it has come under subcategory. That is, the parent category was mentioned here, which is the parent category is given here. So this is how it reads, which is a parent category. If you give Commercetool category dot my category ID, it will automatically get the ID of that and link it over here. So that's how in Terraform you link each other, the other resources. So if I click on this arrow, you'll see the second category has come up. So that's how modularizing in Terraform works. So suppose let's try to put this product type, as this is also part of data modeling, into this. And let's put this shipping category and this project settings and channels from here, and create a new folder called project settings and paste it here. And we need to call it over here as well. So we need to give a name for this module and give the name as project settings. So now I need to reinitialize it. If I run Terraform init, so let's run this Terraform init. So it has initialized successfully. Now if I try to run Terraform plan, it says 4 changes as we have moved probably. So let's try, either we'll get an error or it will be overwritten. So let's try to apply and see what happens. So my product type key already exists, so it's not able to overwrite it. And that is one issue over here. So what we can do is either we'll have to manually delete that and do it again. So if I go here to product types, so I have to delete this product type and try to do the planning again. And it says 4 to add. Let's try to apply it now. And it says yes. So again it says a duplicate key, my category key, a duplicate value, my product type key. Okay. So the problem was I had not changed the path properly. It was data modeling. So changed it back to project settings. So that's the path. Whatever folder name is there, you'll have to give it over here. And then whatever you're changing in the module level, main.tf file, you have to then reinitialize it. Terraform Terraform init you'll have to do. And then once it is successful, you can plan it again. And it says there are three things to be added, and you can apply as well. If you want, you can do auto approve. If you don't want the confirmation to come up, so you can just write yes. And there's only one problem, that is the category one. So for category also to work, as that is we have reinitialized it, and it was earlier already done it, and it was moved to folder level. We'll have to delete it and do it again. So that's a problem with reinitializing. So let's reinitialize again and plan it again, and then apply it. Type yes. So everything will work fine. If I refresh this one, it is there. If I go to product types, that is there again. So that's about how to modularize the Terraform, so that it's easy to maintain and it's easy to do targeted deployment as well. I'll talk about targeted deployment in the next video. So hope you all like the video. If you like the video, please do the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch you again next video. Until then, see you. Bye.